Our last type of pronoun is the indefinite pronoun. Thinking about the word indefinite, what do you think it means? Indefinite pronouns refer to people, places, or things, often without specifying which one. So you aren't sure what they're talking about, or they're indefinite. Let's write it down. Okay. And what did I say they were? What they did? They refer to people, places, or things, or you could say nouns, often without specifying which ones. Okay. This one's going to take a big chart, so make sure you have plenty of room on your note page. And our chart is split up into 3 sections. We have singular, plural, or either. The singular will be the biggest section, and the other 2 will only have 5 or 6 words in them, so they're smaller. So make sure your singular size is really big. I'm not trying to be mean and make you write all of these words. This is to help you so that on assignments or something you can look back and refer to this page and see which pronouns you're working with and what category they fall in, okay? So I know this is going to be a lot of writing. Stick with me. We got this, okay? Let's get started. The first section is the singular. In this section, we have another, anybody, anyone. Anything, each, and either. Everybody, everyone. Everything, little. Much, neither. Nobody, no one. Oops, nobody is one word. Sorry about that. Nothing, one. Other, somebody. Someone and something. Okay, those are all of our singular indefinite pronouns. Our next section is the plural. Okay. And in here we have both, few, many, others, and several. And our last section is the either section that can refer to singular or plural. In the either section, we have all, any, more, most, none, and some. So all, any, more, most, none, and some. And those are all in the either category. Okay? I'll write the samples over here so that you guys have that if you're still copying it down. Also notice that these pronouns can have an antecedent or they might not. Just like in the example we wrote on Monday, the one about everything was lost in the flood, this is kind of one of those, that there might be an antecedent right with it and there might not. Either way is okay. Anyone can learn to operate a computer. What is our indefinite pronoun of this sentence? That's right, anyone. Do we have an antecedent here? Do we have something that anyone is replacing, taking the place of? No. This one, there is no definite antecedent. All of the students learn to use computers. What is our indefinite pronoun of this sentence? That's right, all. Is there an antecedent? Is there something that all is replacing? That's right, all is referring to students. Okay, if you want to make a note of that our first sentence has no antecedent and our second one does, feel free to do so if it will help you. Okay, that is the last of our pronouns, but before we finish, let me just clarify something if some of you might have noticed and had a question. Some of our singular pronouns, you might be thinking, hey, that's plural. That can mean more than one person or thing. For instance, anybody or anyone, and you're right, they can mean more than that. But their reasoning for doing this is that the root word, body or one, is singular. And so that any suffix that they add to that root of the word, it is still considered its singular version. So I know it's a little confusing, but just know that they are always considered singular. All right? Good job.